Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials, your booking reference or e-ticket, and an iPhone running the latest iOS with wallet enabled. Open the Qatar Airways app or the confirmation email now. This is where the mobile boarding pass lives. If you're in the app, sign in with the same account used to book. Once done, find your booking under Trips or Manage Booking so the app can display the boarding pass you'll add to Apple Wallet. You'll now locate the boarding pass screen and tap the Add to Apple Wallet button. This button appears on the boarding pass view in app or in the email attachment. When prompted, allow wallet permissions and confirm which pass to add if there are multiple. Make sure to select relevant notifications so the pass appears on your lock screen near departure. If the button is missing, refresh the booking or reopen the app. Sometimes the pass generates after check-in completes. You finish by opening Apple Wallet to verify flight details, gate and departure time. Make sure time zones and seat info match the airline record. For offline access, screenshot or keep the app cached, though Wallet normally works offline. If the pass does not appear, sign out and back into the Qatar app, force quit and reopen it, or delete and re-add the pass. One key troubleshooting tip: if Add to Wallet is missing,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.